In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles to your video using Filmora. Whether you're looking to make your content more accessible or just add a creative flair, adding subtitles is a great way to enhance your videos. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to Filmora. This is your initial step that lays the foundation for everything else you'll be doing. Opening the application is simple, and if Filmora isn't yet downloaded on your device, you might want to take a moment to install it from the official website and set it up following the on-screen instructions. Once Filmora is up and running, it's time to head over to the text section within the application. The text section is a versatile tool that Filmora offers to add various text elements to your videos. Here, you have access to a variety of styles and formats to choose from, allowing you to customize the appearance of the subtitles according to your video's theme and tone. After clicking on Text, go to the Trending tab. This is where Filmora keeps a collection of popular subtitle formats that are currently in vogue. It's a good idea to explore this section to see different styles and consider what might best fit the mood and message of your video. Now, within the Trending category, go ahead and search for Subtitle. The search feature in Filmora is straightforward and helps you quickly zero in on exactly what you're looking for. Entering Subtitle in the search bar will bring up a selection of subtitle presets. At this stage, you'll be able to see a range of subtitle formats that Filmora offers. It's really all about choosing the one that aligns with the design aesthetic of your project. You might find plain, straightforward subtitles suitable for a professional presentation or fancy, styled subtitles that could add an artistic touch to a creative video. Keep in mind the legibility of your text. Crisp and clear fonts are often most effective, particularly for viewers on smaller devices. Once you've picked a subtitle style, you can easily drag and drop it onto your timeline, aligning it with the part of the video you want it to appear on. Most importantly, ensure that your subtitles are synchronized with the audio for maximum effectiveness. If your video includes critical dialogue or narration, double-checking the timing of your subtitles is crucial for conveying your message clearly. And just like that, you're done. You've now added subtitles, enhancing the accessibility and engagement of your video content. I hope this was helpful and you feel more confident in using Filmora's features. Thank you for watching and happy editing.